So now try to understand how we download and install a Vivado, right? So we'll just be going through each step one by one. The first thing that we'll be doing is you just need to Google for Xilinx, right? So this will take you to xilinx.com, which will be the first result, right? If you just go to a website, the first thing that you need to do is to create an account. So that will allow us to download, setup, as well as create a license, right? So we'll just go ahead and we'll click on login or register. Now here, if you have an existing account, just feed the detail and you log in, right? Or if you do not have an existing account, you just click on create account. This will give you a link where you could actually create your own account by specifying few details, right? So you just need to mention all the mandatory details and then you just need to submit. So once you create your account, okay, you just go ahead and try to sign in into your account, right? So once you sign in into your account, this will be the page that you reached, right? So immediately on the product support, you could get the download tab, or else what you could do is you could just go again back to the new tab and then you can just search for Xilinx Vivado 2018.3 download or just download. Okay, so download will also work fine, right? So you could just search for Xilinx Vivado download. So this will take you to the download tab, okay, where you have a link to download different versions of Vivado, right? So once you go into a download tab, you could be finding that the most recent versions of Vivado are highlighted. Now we already discussed that we need to download either 2018.3 or the lower version, right? So we'll just go to Vivado archive and there you will be able to find 2018.3, right? So we'll just go in there and we will be downloading the Windows self-extracting web installer over here. So if you have Linux system, you could just download Linux self-extracting web installer, right? We'll just be clicking on this option. So this requires a sign in, and once you have correct details been fed, okay, you could just download the setup file. So here now you could see our download of the setup file begins. Now once our setup file is downloaded, okay, we'll understand the process to install it.